Here's the onion, you guys. Finish peeling it. What's going on? What are you guys doing? I do not really like peeling no onions. And I have to wash my hands about 35,000 times because I do not like the smell of raw onion. So I need to hurry up and cut this thing. My eyes start running. I don't eat raw onion either, but I love onions inside of my food. I don't mess with the raw onions, which they are healthy for you though. But I've never been the type that likes it. See, I need to get this other little skin off. Let's see. Make it so much easier when I'm cutting it. I'm gonna put this inside. I'm gonna put half of this onion, or maybe a fourth of it, with the with the cabbage. And I'm thinking about putting half of the chicken in the crock pot and frying the other half of the legs. So I got like some chicken legs just sitting over in the water. Got them soaking. Trying to get them cleaned out. Try to rest them, but I like to have them soak as well. So that's what it is. I'm not no pro at cutting onions, because I'm just a mom who likes to cook. See, look, y'all chefs, y'all be showing off, don't y'all? All right, so here go my onion. Here go my onion. Don't be hating on my onion. When I'm cutting, I'm trying not to get cut either. It seems like I cut the onion a little faster though when I'm not recording. So I don't know what the heck I'm doing with this, but it's all good. It's cut. Y'all see it. Y'all see this thing cut. It's ready. Ready. I'm gonna rinse those again, which they already clean because took the skin off. So that's what it is. That's what it is. And we're gonna cut some of these sweet peppers. We still had some in the refrigerator, so we didn't get any more. Forgot to get a green bell pepper, but that's okay. We'll still deal with it. Still gonna be good. Either way. Rest this. So here's that pepper. Had to get these out the refrigerator because I don't want them to go bad. I don't know. Sometimes when we buy those bags of peppers, they seem to go bad. But when we buy like one big one of each, we'd be cooking those things up. So, try not to waste our money. Maybe one day start planting some food. My grandma and my grandpa, they had their own garden growing up. which my grandfather, he had his own farm, and but they moved to Ohio, and they didn't have no farm anymore, which still got the land, still got all the land. Land is still there. It's just no farm on it. But maybe one day. You know, back in the days, a lot of our grandparents and even some of our mothers and fathers, you know, because I mean, I ain't no spring chicken, but I am, you know, like 40. But a lot of my viewers are maybe around my age or even older. So some of our parents had farms, you know, grew everything, had their own gardens, and maybe still do. You know, them collard greens and onions and peppers. Like my grandma used to grow onions, peppers, collard greens, mustard. I think she used to grow mustard as well, but I'm not really for sure. I know for sure about the collard greens because we used to go out and help her pick them, so that she could make some supper at times. And she had cucumbers. Used to make homemade pickles. Oh, those were some good pickles too, y'all. I love me some homemade pickles, especially my grandma's. My mama, she can make some good homemade pickles too. I like when she make the hot ones. They be so hot and good. She know how to make the sour ones and the dill ones. Now, I done made some pickles as well. I remember I had made some sour ones. Oh, they were so good. I brought some of them to this girl where I used to work at, which I was managing her and a whole lot of other folks. But anywho, back then, and she was like, her name was Brittany, matter of fact, and I don't think this one is any good. Yeah, it's like doing something else. But she was like, oh, when you gonna bring some more of those pickles? I was like, girl, soon. I ain't never bring no more either. I kept making them for myself. But yeah, but that was pretty cool. I'm gonna make some old pickles one day. Soon. Because I love me some pickles. Some good old pickles. I don't like those sweet pickles though. They nasty. But yeah, like, what else did my grandma and them have? They had potatoes. Yeah, corn. And there was something called po something that they used to put up in them greens, and they had brought that from down south with them up to Ohio, and they've been growing it ever since. But I don't never even see that stuff in the store. Maybe if I go back to where they came from, probably would. I don't know. But anywho, they had, dang, there was a lot of stuff. That's all that I want to tell y'all. Shoot. Truthfully, they knew what it was, especially after having all those kids. They like, shoot, we ain't about to be buying all this food. Grandma and grandpa had like 10 kids. It was like 11, but I think one of them didn't make it after birth, something like that. And like they had mass kids, they weren't on it, so they had to get fed the best way that they could and stuff. And but grandfather, he was into construction and also was in the army. My grandma, she mainly was like a housewife, but she also used to do like, I think she used to clean clean people's houses, like maids or whatever. I don't know what else. I know when I came, she was mainly always at the house. So, but that was pretty cool though. Like, you know, we have to raise these kids to be just like that. But thanks a lot, you guys, for even chiming on in. I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.